Hey, this is Jason with Buehler Air Conditioning, and today we're going to talk to you about how to fix a blank thermostat. Here we are at the inside unit, and this is the float switch device. This float switch has a bobber action on it. When this bobber goes up, it makes the thermostat go blank. And if we just check down inside of here, you can see that there's a little bit of water residue. That means that we've got a clogged drain line. So the next thing we're going to do is put this back in place and show you how to clear that drain line. And when we do that, we're going to come back inside and show you what it should sound like when that drain line is clear. All right, here we are at the outside unit, and this is where your drain line comes out and takes all the moisture out of the house. I'm just going to simply connect a shop vac to it and show you how to clear this drain line. When I go to remove this float switch device, you'll be able to hear that the shop vac is pulling everything completely out through the drain line. You can see where it pulls everything out of there. And then inside your shop vac, you'll be able to see everything that you were able to pull right out of there. And it's right here. We'll just dump it out. And that's everything that was inside the drain. We've got it clear now, and your thermostat will be back up and showing the display like it's supposed to. Thanks for checking out this video today. And for more tips and tools, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Buehler Air Conditioning. And as always, stay cooler with Buehler.